Hello children, glad to meet all of you in your maths class. Now let's start our class. We have learned in previous classes, that is 5th and 6th standard, how to add or subtract fraction. Yes or no? How to add and subtract fractions. Yes or no children? Yes. We have also learned how to add and subtract integers. Yes or no? Yes. Now we are going to study about addition of rational numbers. Okay, addition of rational numbers. The rules for addition of rational numbers are a combination of the rules for fractions and the rules for integers. Okay, the rules for addition of rational numbers are a combination of the rules for fractions and the rules for integers. Okay children, already we have studied about addition of fractions. Yes or no? In previous classes, that is 5th and 6th standard, we have already studied addition of fractions. Yes or no? Yes. Now you see the example. Consider two fractions, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. Okay, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. Now what is the answer of 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3? What is the answer? First you see this fraction. Which type of fraction? Like fractions, yes. Why? You see the denominator. This is 2, this is the numerator, 3 is the denominator, here 5 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. These two fractions having same denominator, having same number, that is 3. Okay, so in any fractions having same denominator, that fraction is a like fractions. Okay, like fraction. It is easy to add or subtract them. Yes or no? Yes. In addition of like fraction, we add the numerator and write the answer with the same denominator. Okay. So what is the answer? In addition of like fractions, we add the numerators. Okay. So numerator is here 2, here is 5. So that's why your answer is 2 plus 5 divided by, that is upon same denominator. What is the number? 3. Okay, so same denominator. Now what is the answer? 2 plus 5? 7. 7 upon 3. So the answer is 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 3. Okay, it is for like fraction. Suppose your fractions are unlike. For example, 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. What is the value? How to find? This is the unlike fraction. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Denominator are different numbers. Here first fractions have 6. Second fractions have 3. Okay. So here denominators are different. So that's why this fraction is a unlike fractions. Okay children? Unlike fraction. So say the answer. So addition of fraction with that is a different denominator mean that is unlike fraction. So how will you add? So two methods are there. We have studied. Yes or no children? Yes. Which methods? First one is LCM method and another or okay LCM method or another one more method, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Okay, so first one is LCM method. LCM method. How will you find in LCM method? Your question is 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. So what is the value? This is a LCM method. So you find the LCM of denominators. Okay. Your denominator is 6 and your denominator is 3. So 6, 3. Okay. You find the LCM. You find the LCM. So what is the LCM of 6 and 3? 6 and 3. What is the number that divides these two numbers? Say 3. Yes or no? Yes. So 3. Now you divided by 3. First one is 6. What is the answer? 6 divided by 3 is 2. Why? 3 2s are 6. And 3 divided by 3 means your answer is 1. Now 2 is divided by 2. So that's why 2, 1, 1. So therefore your LCM is 3 into 2, 6. Okay. So your LCM is 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now you converted to this denominator as equivalent fractions. Okay. Here already 1 upon 6, denominator having 6 only. So you leave it. So your next fraction is 2 upon 3. Now your denominator need 6. So you say now, எந்த நம்பர் போடணும் இதில் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறதுக்கு? Denominator 6 வரணும். Okay. So here is denominator is 2 need. Yes. That's why 3 2s are 6. Same number you multiply by numerator also. Okay. So therefore 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now you find the answer 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. So 1 upon 6, why? Your LCM is 6 only. So no need change anything. Same fraction only will come. Okay. So 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 means can be written as 4 upon 6. Okay. Now you see the denominator are same. Yes or no? Yes. So that is very easy. Why? Only we add numerators only. So numerators are 1 and 4. Okay. So that's why 1 plus 4 upon 6. So now your answer 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 upon 6. So your answer is 5 upon 6. This is for LCM method. So next method, cross multiplication. That very easy method. 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. Cross multiplication. Yes or no? Cross multiplication. So first multiply by 1 into 3. So 1 3s are 3 plus 6 2s are 12 and multiply by denominator. Okay. 6 3s are 18. Okay. So 3 plus 12, 15. 15 upon 8. Now, your answer is 15 upon 8. But here is 5 upon 6. How? 15 upon 80 is not a standard form. Yes or no, children? Yes. That is standard form of fraction number is must. That is standard form of fraction number is expressed as it to be a lowest terms. Okay. So lowest term means numerator and denominator having no common factors. Yes or no? Yes. So here is common factors are there. Yes or no? Yes. Surely it is divided by 3 table. Yes children? Yes. So you divided by 3. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. So that's why your answer is 5 upon 6. This is our same. Yes? Yes. So, this is a like fraction. That is very easy. Unlike fractions means we followed only 2 methods. That is one is LCM method or cross multiplication method. Okay children? These are already we have studied. Okay. But not, that is not a topic here. Your topic is now addition of rational numbers. But addition of rational numbers are combination of rules for fraction and rules for integers. Okay children? Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note. Addition of fraction just நான் recall தான் பண்ணேன். இது நம்ம ஏற்கனவே படிச்சிருக்கோம் addition of fractions. எதுக்கு அப்படினாக்கி நம்ம addition of rational numbersல நம்ம கண்டிப்பா நம்மளுக்கு addition of fraction தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். Addition of fraction தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? Addition of rational numbers. Okay. That's why I explained. Okay children? Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note and write today's date and day. Okay. Continue the classwork and write the heading rational numbers. Rational numbers. Okay. Now you copy the classwork from the board. Okay, children? Write neatly. Okay. Okay, children, now listen. Addition of rational numbers with same denominator, okay, as like fractions. Okay, children? Yes. Here also followed, one is a like fraction and another one is that addition of rational number with same denominator and with different denominators. Okay, now we are study about addition of rational number with same denominators. Okay, yes. Now listen carefully. First question, add the following. First question, 7 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. Okay, very easy. 7 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. Here you see same denominators. Okay, so same denominator. First of all, you write in standard form of rational number. Already is in standard form only. Yes or no? Yes. Standard form of rational number means? Say. Rational, standard form of rational number. The rational number is expressed in its lowest terms and the denominator of the rational number is expressed as a positive integer. Yes or no? So this is the standard form of rational number. So first you check this is a standard form of rational number or not. This is a standard form only. Yes or no? 7 upon 8. Here is having no common factors and denominator is a positive denominator only. Okay, so that's why this denominator are standard form. That is, sorry, this fraction is a standard form only. Yes, children? Yes. Now next step is add the numerator and retain the same denominator. Suppose you see you have same denominator, so we add only the numerators. Okay, so 7 plus 2 divided by, that is upon 8. 7 plus 2 upon 8. So now you say the answer 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 upon 8. So your answer is 7 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 9 upon 8. Okay, now the next question, second one. Say the answer, 7 upon 8 plus minus 3 upon 8. Okay, this is the standard form only. Yes or no? Yes. 7 upon 8 having no common factors. Minus 3 and 8 between, no common factors. So it is in its lowest term only and your denominator has to be positive. Yes or no? Yes. So now you add only the numerators. Okay, so your numerators are one is 7 and another one is minus 3. Okay, we add now divided by 8. Now 7 plus minus 3. 7 plus minus 3, what is the value? Your signs are different, so we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Yes or no? Yes. Now 7 minus 3, 4. What is the greater value sign? Plus. So your answer is 4. 4 divided by 8. 4 divided by 8, that is 4 upon 8. So it's having, is 4 upon 8 standard form? No. Why? 4 and 8 between common factors are there. Yes or no, children? Yes. What is the common factor between 4 and 8? It is divided by 4. Definitely. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So therefore your answer is, numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. That's why your answer is 1 upon 2. Okay, children? It is clear? Yes. Now write down the classwork. Addition of rational number with same denominator. First question. Add the following. 7 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. So 7 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8. 7 plus 2 upon 8. The answer is 9 upon 8. Second question. You first question finish after you write the second question. Okay, children? Write one by one. Don't write, that is right hand side. Okay? You write one by one. First question you finish after you start the second question. Write neatly, children. Have you finished the classwork? I hope you have written the classwork. Now the next question is, okay, you see the question, listen carefully, don't write. Minus 4 upon 11 plus minus 6 upon minus 11. Okay, so now you add. You see that, first you check this is a standard form or not. Okay, standard form means the rational number is expressed in its lowest terms. Lowest term means numerator and denominator have no common factors. Okay, and second one is the denominator of the rational number is expressed as a positive integers. Okay, children, this is the standard form of rational number. So first of all you check this is standard form of rational numbers or not. Okay, so first one is the first rational number minus 4 upon 11. So 4 and 11 between no common factor. So that is okay, and denominator has positive denominator only. Okay, so leave it. Then second one is see minus 6 upon minus 11. So here you see denominator having negative sign. Yes or no? So that's a standard form of rational number. The rational number has to be, denominator has to be positive. Okay, so you convert into the standard form. Now your question is minus 4 upon 11 plus minus 6 upon minus 11. So you can be written as minus 4 upon 11 plus, you see here minus divided by minus, your answer is plus, otherwise minus minus cancel. So your answer is 6 upon 11. Okay, now clear? Yes. Now you see the denominator are same. Okay, so denominator are same means only we add the numerators only. Okay, so therefore minus 4 plus 6 upon 11. Okay, so minus 4 plus 6. So different signs. This is the addition. Okay, so different signs. So we find the difference and put the greater value sign. So 6 minus 4, 2. What is the greater value sign? Plus only. Okay. So that's why our answer is 2. 2 upon 11. Okay, children? It is clear? So our answer is 2 upon 11. One more time I will explain. Listen. Minus 4 upon 11 plus minus 6 upon minus 11. Okay. இதை பார்த்த உடனே நம்மளுக்கு முதல்ல ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்மா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்ம்னா என்ன? இந்த நியூமரேட்டருக்கும் டினாமினேட்டருக்கும் என்ன இருக்காது? காமன் ஃபேக்டர்ஸ். எந்த நம்பராலையும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே. அண்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் டினாமினேட்டர் எப்போவுமே பாசிட்டிவில் தான் இருக்கணும். ஸோ இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு செக் பண்ணக்கூடியது. ஸோ பாரு, ஃபஸ்ட் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் எடுத்தேன்னா என்ன இருக்குது? minus 4 upon 11 இருக்குது. ஓகே. அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் minus 6 upon minus 11. ஸோ ஹியர் டினாமினேட்டர் ஹேவிங் நெகட்டிவ் சைன். ஸோ அப்போ நம்ம இதை என்ன செய்யணும்? பாசிட்டிவாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ யூ ரைட் minus 4 upon 11 plus minus 6 upon minus 11. Okay. So this is same rational number, minus 4 upon 11. Here minus cancel. Okay, children? So that's why our answer is 6 upon 11. இப்போ பாரு, டினாமினேட்டர் ஆர் சேம். ஸோ டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? நியூமரேட்டரை மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணிவிட்டு டினாமினேட்டர் அதே நம்பரை எடுத்து போட்டுருணும். நவ் minus 4 plus 6, denominator is 11. Okay. Now you see, this is which operation? Addition of integers. Yes or no, children? Yes. So அதுதான் நம்ம டெஃபினிஷன் என்ன? நம்மளுக்கு rules for addition of rational numbers are a combination of rules for fractions and rules for integers. இந்த ரெண்டோட காம்பினேஷன் தான் நம்மளுக்கு addition of rational number. ஸோ அப்போ இங்கே integers ஃபாலோ பண்ணணுமா? ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும்? minus 4 plus 6. ஸோ ரெண்டும் வேறு வேறு சைன் இருந்தால் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? பிக் நம்பர்லேருந்து ஸ்மால் நம்பரை சப் பண்ணிவிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை எடுத்து போட்டுடணும். அப்போ 6லேருந்து 4 போனால் என்ன? 2. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த கிரேட்டர் வேல்யூ சைன்? ப்ளஸ். ஸோ your answer is 2. Denominator is 11. So that's why your answer is 2 upon 11. Okay, children, now clear? Yes. Now write down in your classwork note third question. Second question already finished. Now you start third one. Okay, write it. Write neatly, children. The next question. Fourth one. Okay, listen carefully, children. Now the fourth question. 6 upon minus 7 plus minus 1 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 7. Okay, here denominator are same. So it is It is easy to add. Yes or no? Yes. So, first of all, you check this is standard form or not. Okay. So, minus 6 upon minus 7. 6 upon minus 7. It's standard form? No. Why? Denominator having negative sign. Okay. So, first of all, you write in standard form. So, 6 upon, first you write the question. 6 upon minus 7 plus minus 1 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 7. Okay. This is the question. Equal to 6 upon minus 7. Write in standard form. So, 6 upon minus 7 can be written as minus 6 upon 7. Yes or no, children? Yes. Plus minus 1 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 7. Now, okay? Yes. The denominator are same. And one more thing. It is a standard form. Okay. Now, we add only the numerators. So, numerators minus 6 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 upon the denominator same number, that is 7 only. Okay. So, therefore, your answer minus 6 plus minus 1 plus minus 3 upon 7. Now, what is the answer? First, you add this minus 6 plus minus 1. These numbers are same sign, yes? So, that's why we add the absolute values and put the same sign to the answer. Yes or no? Yes. So, what is the answer now? 6 plus 1, 7, minus 7, plus your number, one more number is there. Okay? Yes. So, now, same sign. So, we add the absolute values and put the same sign. So, 7 plus 3 is 10. Your sign is minus. So, your answer is minus 10 upon 7. So, your answer is minus 10 upon 7. This is a standard form? Yes. It's having no common factors. So, that's why this is the final answer of this question. Okay, children? Listen one more time. Your question is, here 3 rational numbers are given. So, we find the addition. Okay. So, we add 6 upon minus 7 plus minus 1 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 7. First of all, you check this. It is a standard form or not. Okay. This is surely it is not a standard form. Why? The denominator have negative sign. So, you convert into standard form of rational number. So, 6 upon minus 7 can be written as minus 6 upon 7. Here, say minus 1 upon 7 standard form only. So, same number. And minus 3 upon 7, same number. Okay. Now, we add. So, it's having same denominator. So, we add only the numerator and put the denominator have same number. Okay. So, we add the numerators. Minus 6, minus 1, minus 3 divided by 7. Okay. So, இப்படி இருக்கு. இதை நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? First இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ண போறோம். இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? இந்த நம்பர் ரெண்டுல என்ன இருக்கு? ஒரே சைன். ஒரே சைனா இருந்தா என்ன செய்யணும்? ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். அப்படிதானா? எஸ். So, that's why 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Same sign minus plus same number minus 3. Now, we add minus 7 minus 3 same sign. So, you add 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 same sign minus. So, your answer is minus 10 upon 7. Okay? Yes. Then next fifth question. 4 upon 11 plus minus 6 upon 11 plus minus 3 upon minus 11. Okay. So, you write the answer. 4 upon 11 plus minus 6 upon 11 plus minus 3 upon minus 11. Okay. So, first of all, you check it is standard form or not. Okay. So, 4 upon 11 standard form only. Minus 6 upon 11 it is in standard form. Minus 3 upon minus 11 its denominator have negative number, negative integer. Okay. So, that's why you write in the positive number. Okay. So, you write 4 upon 11 plus minus 6 upon 11 minus minus cancel. So, your answer is 3 upon 11. Okay, children? Or minus divided by minus, your answer is plus only. So, that's why your answer 3 upon 11. Now, you see the denominator are same number. Yes or no? Yes. Now we add only the numerators. So 4 plus minus 6 plus 3 divided by, that is upon 11. Okay. Now what is the answer? First of all, you find 4 plus minus 6. First to find the value of 4 plus minus 6. You see here the different sign. So different signs means we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Yes or no? Yes. So 6 minus 4, 2. What is the greater number sign? 6. So that's why our answer is minus 2 plus 3 upon 11. Okay. Now minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3. Here also this integer have positive, that is a negative, this is positive. So one is positive, one is negative. So we find the difference. Difference means subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Greater value sign is positive. So that's why our answer is 1 upon 11. So our answer is 1 upon 11. It's so easy. Yes, children? Yes. Now take your classwork note and copy it. 4th question and 5th question. Okay. Write it neatly. Write neatly, children. Have you finished? So next question, 6th question. Listen, children. Listen, 6th question, 2 upon 7 plus minus 1 upon minus 7 plus 5 upon minus 7. Okay, denominator, first of all, denominator is same number only, but here some denominator are negative sign. Yes or no? So you write in the standard form. Okay, so 2 upon 7 plus, you see here, numerator and denominator having negative sign. So minus divided by minus is equal to your answer is plus. So that's why 1 upon 7. Otherwise you cancel the minus. Okay. Minus minus cancel. So your answer is 1 upon 7 plus 5 upon minus 7. Okay. First you write the question. Okay, children. Then after you write 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. Now you see 5 upon minus 7. So can be written as minus 5 upon 7. Okay. Now you add. Denominator are same. So we add only the numerators. Okay. So 2 plus 1 plus minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 upon 7. Okay. Now you add. First we find the value of these two integers. 2 plus 1, 3 plus minus 5 upon 7. Now 3 plus minus 5. Here is positive, here is negative. So, suppose the integers having opposite sign, we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay. So, 5 minus 3 is equal to, your answer is 2. Big number is 5. that sign is minus. So your answer is minus 2 upon 7. Okay, children, clear? Yes. Write down in your classwork note. Now your homework. All of you take your homework notes and write the homework, okay? All of you take your homework notes. All of you take your homework note and write the homework. Okay, children? Okay, listen children. Your homework is, write down in your homework note, okay? Your homework is, first question you see, add question, so 5 upon 7 plus minus 1 upon 7, okay? And second question, third question, fourth question. That's very easy. Easy question only I given. So, write in your homework note, okay children? Yes. Now the second one, make 5 fill-ups, page number 5 to 8, okay? Take your book and you see the page 5 to 8, okay? Your book page number 5 to 8. How many fill-ups you want to make? 5. Make 5 fill-ups, page number 5 to 8, okay? These two homeworks only. So, do it yourself, okay children? Write down in your homework note. So take a photo of your homework and classwork and send it to WhatsApp number. Okay? Okay, children? Write homework the day itself. So you write neatly. One more time. Take a photo of your homework and classwork and send it to WhatsApp number. Okay? And do yourself. We will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.